So hi guys, welcome back to one more session of DSA, right? So in today's session, we will learn about strings. Is it clear guys? Shall we start? Let's identify the strings. We'll understand the strings concept. Guys, first of all, what is a string? Understand? There are multiple ways of defining the string. The easiest way to define the string is collection of characters, okay? String is collection of characters. Is it okay, my friends? Is it okay? In Java, if you want to define a string, we have a class called a string. String A is equals to Pavan Prakash, for example. String A is equals to Pavan Prakash. System dot out dot println. If I print A, I will get the output as Pavan Prakash. Is it clear, guys? String. And in Python, it's very simple. You can just use double quote to define a string, Python students. Is it clear? If I print the variable p, I'm still gonna get it as p only. But you need not worry about the input and output because all the inputs will be given by the LeetCode interface only. Yes or no? All the inputs will be given by LeetCode interface. Yes or no, guys? So we need not worry about it. That is not even our headache. The headache is there are some methods that you should remember. The first method which you should remember is in Java. The method is called as length method. Is it clear, Java students? It is not a variable, it is a method. Open bracket, close bracket. This is length method. So if I write a dot length, what happens is it will exactly tell me how many characters are present starting from P to H, including the space. That is system dot out dot print me the value of A. When I run it, it will tell me 13. Why 13? Because space is also a character. Is it clear? It will tell not 12 but 13 because space is also a character. Starting from P to H, there are in total 13 characters, my friend. Did everybody understand this? In Java, the name of the method is len. Python students, for you the life is very easy. Still the method is still len of P only. If you use len, it will work till now. Is it clear? Is it clear? Sure? Good. The second thing, see, we will not use any method from the string data structure. We'll build our methods. Just learn to access the characters. Okay. In Python, if you want to access the letters one by one, Python still same. For I in P, you just have to print I. Is it clear, Python students? For I in P, you have to print I. Your life will be easy. See, P, A, V, A, N, everything is going on. Is it clear? Is it clear? But Java students, our life is complicated. If you try to do like this, for string A, string I in A, sometimes you may do like this, system dot out dot print me the value of y. Because in integers, I was doing the same now. Now it will not work. Is it clear? Is it clear, Java students? Java, is it clear? This will not work for us. Why? The reason is string is an object now. If I say Pavan Prakash, the complete Pavan Prakash is a single value, just like an integer 10. Pavan Prakash is a single word now. Is it clear? It is not possible to separate them. Got it, guys? So what we have to do is we have to break the string into array of characters. Is it clear? Is it clear? Anybody got it? One second. I'll just drink some water. Okay, see ya. Now what happens is, guys, my string A is having Pavan Prakash, yes or no? My string A is having Pavan Prakash, yes or no? The method is, remember, the method is to-char array. Python Java students, please make a note of this. We have a method called as to-char array. What it will do is, it will break the string into an array of characters. Is it okay? It will break the string into array of characters. Is it clear? The name of the method is toChar array. C is capital, A is capital. Observe. So what I will do is, now I am writing character I. Is it okay? Char. And now the string A, I will typecast with a dot operator to char array. Is it clear, my friends? Is it clear? Now when I run it, you can see that now I am also getting the same thing. For example, let me use println here. Now when I run it, now you people can see that I am also getting the same output. Yes or no? Just like the Python, even we are also getting the same output. Kindly make a note of this. Take 1 minute and write it down, because you will not get a document for this one. Please write it down. Python, you need not even write. You already know this. Java students, write down. Yes, please write it. Good. So now shall we start? We'll do only one program today. Is it clear, guys? That is important program. Shall we start? Right on. Next variation, HashMap variation. Next one. We'll do only one program today. HashMap variation. Frequency HashMap for string. Is it clear? Frequency HashMap for what? Frequency HashMap for string. Shall we start? It's again a frequency hash map, but this time it is a string. Python students, your life is very simple. It doesn't even matter for you if it is Java or Python, because you already know your hash map is H. And then you will say for I in P, you are just gonna say that if I in H dot keys, right? If I in H dot keys, what you will do? Count is equals to, first get the count. Count is equals to H of I, then count is equals to count plus 1, then h of I is equals to count. Yes or no, guys? Else what you will do, it's a new entry, you will write it as h of I is equals to 1, then you will print h. Since Python is very dynamic with data types, the same program will work. Is it clear, Python students? For you people, there is absolutely no problem for converting the hash map from string to the hash map. Is it clear? It will work for you people. Python students, did you understand? For you people, there is absolutely no problem. For you people, there is absolutely no problem. Is it clear? Is it clear? Now, 1 second. Can I return the answer in any format, or you have to return the same format? Okay. Python students, listen, Python students, you can leave for the day, but try to solve this question, okay? Because anyways, it is same only. This is your homework. For Java also, it will be the homework only. So this is the homework question. I'm dropping it in the chat. Later, I'll update in the later. I will update even in the hash this one. Clear website also. Clear, Python students? I hope you got it right. It's a frequency hash map only. You have to return a new string. You have to return a new string without having any duplicates. Python students, clear? Python students, clear? But care needs to be taken that the output should also follow the same sequence. I cannot do it now. My throat is paining. Tomorrow I'll solve this question. Okay. If you can do it, you do it. Is it clear? If not, also no problem. I'll do it tomorrow. Python students, fine? Python, above, clear? Okay. Python students can disconnect. Yeah. I hope you got it right. For you, the frequency hash map has nothing to do. For you, the life is still easy only. But for Java, I have to explain a lot of concepts. So let me do it for Java. Okay, fine. Java, let's continue. Java, shall we continue? So see here, Java, my friends, about the thing is for the frequency hash map this time, the key is a string. Yes or no? For frequency hash map this time, the key is a string and count is an integer. Is it clear? The key is a string data type, but the count is an integer data type. Let me take a string. String s is equals to Pavan Prakash. I want to load it into the hash map. Is it clear? I want to load this into the hash map. Is it clear? So shall we start loading it? So see here. For I cannot write string, you already know. I have to write for char I in s dot to char array. Yes or no? Yes or no? For char I in s dot to char array, what I can print? System dot out dot println of I. If I do this, okay, one second. Yeah. I have to import it. If I do this, am I getting the output or not? Am I getting the output or not? But now you people will try to use the hash map, very crazy concept. If h dot contains key of I, you will say that int count is equals to 0, right? Then you will say count is equals to h dot get of I. Then you people will say count plus plus. Then you people will say h dot put of I comma count. Yes or no? This is the case if element is already present. Yes, this is the case and it is key set. Okay, this is yes or no? This is the case if element is already present. Yes or no? Yes. And if element is not present, what you will say? Else you will say h dot. No, 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 no. This is not that question. This is not that question. I'm just loading the frequency hash map into the string. Don't get confused. That question is done. Okay, now h dot put off I comma 1. Is it clear, Python Java students? This is how you generally insert the data into the hash map. Yes or no? This is generally how we insert the data into the hash map. Yes or no? This is a frequency hash map. Clear? But now when I run it, we will get an error. Can you see? Hey, 1 second, yeah. What is the error? Yes. Can you see the error or not? Incompatible data types. Can you see this error? Because my hash map ka data type is a string, but I is a character now. The data mismatch is there. Is it clear? And it contains key only. My bad. It contains key only. I wrote key set. My mistake. Yeah, let me come back. Now again I'll get the error. Key set is to print the complete key set. Okay, yes, that error is gone. I hope you're right. This is contains key. I wrote key set by mistake. Key set is to print the keys. Now, can you see this incompatible data type or not? Why I'm getting this? Because I is no more. Remember, I is no more a string. It is a character. Everybody got it, guys? Everybody got it? So now there is one step extra. What I will do is I will load the data into character X. Is it okay? I will use I only. I'll not change this I, but I'm loading the characters one by one into X. Is it clear, guys? Is it clear till now? So every time the value is coming in a variable called as X, here you have to write one line extra. That is, I will create string I inside this. String I is equals to character dot toString of X. This is the extra line. Is it clear? Whatever character I am getting, I have to convert it back to toString. So this is one line you have to write extra. Don't directly load I. Instead, load I with this extra variable. Is it clear, guys? Is it clear? What is the only change? Don't directly load I because I is a character now. I am loading in a temporary variable called as X. Here I am loading the I. String I is equals to character dot toString of X. Now when I run it, Is my hash map working or not? Now is my hash map working or not? There is a difference. Okay, this is a string data type. This is a character data type. So to put it back into the string, again I have to convert it back to string. The method is toString. Everybody got it? Everybody got it? Did you understand? Why I'm using here I only, sir? You may say, sir, you wrote I here. You can write J here. I know I can write J. The thing is, when I write the programs for Python students, right, I'll be using I here. And if I write JJ here, both of you will get confused. So to neutralize it, I am still keeping the hash map in the variable called as I only. Is it clear? Everybody got it? Everybody got it? So this is how we modify the frequency hash map when it comes to strings, my friends. This line is extra. Is it clear? This one line will be extra. Is it clear? Any doubts? Any doubts? Or is it clear till now? Yeah, hash set will also. String builder and all, please don't use it. Don't use it. Don't use it. It will just complicate your things. Okay, don't use it. No need of any string builder. I will not even touch string builder. Okay. Is it clear, guys? Don't complicate the things. Keep it simple. Because if you use string builder, right, in the interviews, the questions will be based on string builders also. Unwanted attention. So when you try to do the questions without using extra methods, then the number of interview questions will also reduce. If you write this program, the questions will be based on hash map. If you add the string builder, the questions will be based on strings. Which one is better to handle? In hash map, there is nothing to handle also. Is it clear? So try to stick to the concept. Don't add don't add unnecessary methods until it is not possible to go forward. Clear? Guys, did you understand this question? Everybody understood this question? Sir, can we only give wrapper? No, no, no. Wrapper class has data types. Yes, you can only give wrapper class because if you write only int, this is a primitive data type and collections doesn't accept it. Okay, it doesn't work because collections itself is a class, and here the primitive data types will not work. Clear? That is the reason we have to give the wrapper classes only. Everybody got it? Everybody got it? And I'll clarify one more thing also. This line I'll take it off and I'll replace it by I. Is it also working or not? Is it also working or not? Hash map with character array is also working or not? Understanding? The hash map with characters is also loading or not? But the thing is, when they ask you to return the data, everything they expect you to give it back in string only. Clear? String programs will ask you to give the answer back in the string. Again, it will become a two-step process. Instead of that, directly make everything into string here only. Clear? It is possible to store the character frequency array also, but kindly use which mode? Kindly use string mode only. Is it clear, students? Is it clear? Don't use the character hash map, use the string hash map only. Clear? So any doubts in today's concept? No, right? Even you people will have to solve this question, the same question. Let's see how many of you do it. If you can't do it, no problem. Anyways, I'll do it tomorrow. So here is the question. If you can try it, it will be well and good. Remove duplicates from the HackerRank. Clear? Let me share the link once again. Anyways, this link will be updated in the HashMap website also. Clear, guys? So shall we end the session here? Let me stop the recording.